This video suggests the best diet and foods that improve liver function naturally. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. From vitamins, bile, cholesterol to immune factors and metabolism, the liver plays an essential role in lots of important functions in your body. Now imagine, if the most important organ in your body is getting affected by the presence of the toxin in your body, then how you would survive in the fast-paced life. For enhanced energy levels, good overall health and healthy-looking skin and hair, the smooth performance of the liver are essential. You must know two things to ensure healthy liver functioning. Best foods to improve liver function naturally. Best supplements to improve liver function. In this video, you will find out answers to every query related to the best diet for improving liver function along with side effect-free natural liver health supplements. If you want to know how to improve liver function naturally, then keep listening. Best diet for improving liver function. Slow-performing liver, scarring tissues of liver and fatty liver are signs that you are not eating foods that are good for your liver. For instance, avoid excessive alcoholism, it is bad for the liver. Further, try to stay away from saturated fats, sugary foods, and foods with excessive salt. The foods to improve liver function naturally are mentioned below. Take a look and try to incorporate them in your daily diet to lower the risk of liver disease. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. These antioxidants can reduce the development of hepatic fibrosis, a harmful condition in which excessive connective tissue builds up in the liver, and lessen inflammation. Coffee and tea. Black and green tea may improve enzyme and fat levels in the liver. Coffee increases antioxidant levels in the liver, all while decreasing inflammation. It also lowers the risk of developing liver disease, cancer, and fatty liver. Blueberries and cranberries. Berries are high in antioxidants, which help to protect the liver from damage. They may even improve immune and antioxidant responses. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and mustard greens are known for their high fiber content and distinctive taste. These increase levels of detoxification enzymes and protect the liver from damage. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice protects the liver from oxidative damage and inflammation, all while increasing its natural detoxification enzymes. Nuts. Nuts are high in fats, nutrients including the antioxidant vitamin E and beneficial plant compounds. Eating nuts improves levels of liver enzymes. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that reduce inflammation and have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A healthy liver ensures easy weight loss and a strong immune system. Not only this, you avoid excessive sugar, salt, and alcohol and include foods to improve liver function naturally, then you will see a natural boost in the energy levels. Another easy method to enhance vitality in natural liver health supplements. Take a daily dose of the best supplements to improve liver function naturally and easily. How to improve liver function naturally. Livoxil capsules are one of the most recommended remedies by experts that work best for liver cleanse. Formulated from rich ingredients like pitpata, chitrak, faviting, punarnalva, amla, himsara and kansi, the pills are trusted by both men and women as the most effortless way to flush toxins from the body. The amazingly beneficial pills ensure that the liver is free from toxins and performing its optimum functions. Livoxil capsules will ensure that your body is absorbing all of the nutrients of the foods to improve liver function naturally. Livoxil capsules benefits: faster recovery from liver disease and quick cell generation, protection from inflammation and liver enlargement, protect from the damage of alcohol intake, helpful in treating jaundice and hepatitis, protection from anemia, gas, and hyperacidity, Livoxil capsules are the best supplements to improve liver function because the 100% natural remedy is totally free from side effects. You can try these pills at any age, and the herbal pills do not contradict any other ongoing treatment. Avoid saturated fats and toxins like alcohol and incorporate a healthy diet with foods to improve liver function naturally. World's finest liver detox supplements. "100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Buy Livoxil capsules at naturogain.com. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.